Are you looking for the best metal detectors? In this video we will look at some of the best metal detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Minelab Equinox 800 Metal Detector. The Minelab Equinox 800 is our pick as one of the best metal detectors currently available, and many other independent reviewers agree. This is a high-quality machine that offers outstanding versatility and the ability to fine-tune search features to individual preferences. Minelab's multi-IQ is a key feature, allowing the full range of frequencies to be run simultaneously for the widest range of detection. They can also be selected individually for more focus. This makes it capable of finding gold, silver, coins, jewelry, iron, and metal relics. For different terrain modes can be further enhanced with automatic or manual ground balancing, and 2 custom search profiles can be saved for each mode. There are 50 target IDs available, allowing advanced notch discrimination to filter out junk. For those who like an audible signal, there is 25 level threshold adjustment. Bluetooth headphones are included. Number 2. Garrett Ace 250 Metal Detector. Garrett is one of the world's best-known metal detector brands with a number of high-quality yet affordable devices. The Garrett Ace 250 is their most popular model, offering a wide range of features at a budget-friendly price. Initial simplicity comes by way of 5 search modes for coins, relics, jewelry, all metals, and one that is user-customizable. Each has built-in object-specific discrimination, so beginners can just select one and start detecting. For more experienced users who prefer greater control, there are 12 target IDs that can be used for notch discrimination, plus 8 sensitivity settings. Adjustment is via straightforward plus or minus buttons, so it's easy to change settings on the go. Object size and depth indications are also provided. Audio tones come with the detector, though headphones are not included. The Garrett Ace 250 includes a ground balancing function to filter out interference from mineral deposits, but it's a factory preset with no adjustment. The coil is rated IP68, which means it is submersible to a depth of 3 feet. Although the screen is a good size, and the control buttons are nice and chunky, there is a lot going on which takes a while to get used to. The Garrett Ace 250 uses for AA batteries, giving a runtime of around 25 to 30 hours. Number 3. Fisher Gold Bug Pro Metal Detector. Fisher's highly rated Gold Bug line has been around for some time. The Gold Bug Pro now offers digital rather than analog features, giving it improved accuracy. In all metal mode, the Fisher Gold Bug Pro can find coins, jewelry and relics, but finding nuggets and small gold objects is where this machine excels. Soil mineralization can be a problem for many devices, but this machine has a trademarked ground grab feature that is the most accurate automatic ground balancing of its type. Further fine-tuning is available through Target ID, which effectively discriminates against silver, iron or trash items. The 5-inch coil might seem modest, but gold metal detecting is often about careful examination of small areas, and this coil can reach where others cannot go. The coil is described as waterproof, but does not have an IP rating. It's capable of prospecting for gold in shallow freshwater streams, for example, but the machine must not be submerged. Number 4. SunPow WOT MD02 Metal Detector. Having a metal detector that can be loaded in the car or RV for camping trips or other vacations sounds like a great idea, but if it's only going to be used occasionally, then cost can be an issue. The SunPow WOT MD02 is a very affordable solution, and while it doesn't offer the feature set of some, it's a proper metal detector, not just a toy. There are 2 modes, all metals and disc. The latter allows the use of discrimination to focus on particular items. Rather than target IDs, SunPow uses categories, either gold, silver, iron foil, nickels, pennies, pull tabs, or S-caps. Surprisingly, on such a low-cost machine there is manually adjustable ground balancing. The SunPow WOT MD02 is a lightweight device, and height adjustment from 47 inches to 55 inches helps make it comfortable for everyone from older kids to tall adults. The coil is rated waterproof to the IP68 level, but the rest of the machine should not be submerged. Headphones, a shovel, and a carry bag are all included. Number 5. Bounty Hunter BHJS Junior Metal Detector. Bounty Hunter is another of the world's leading metal detector brands. While the Bounty Hunter BHJS Junior has been designed to be easy to use, it nevertheless incorporates proper metal detector features that introduce young people to the hobby in a realistic way. The Bounty Hunter BHJS Junior Metal Detector will find coins down to about 5 inches, and large objects to around a foot or so. An analog display with a swinging needle gives straightforward indication of a find, and there is an audible tone that increases in pitch. There are 2 modes, either for all metal or allowing basic discrimination via a tuning knob. Another is marked Power and is effectively a simple adjustment for sensitivity. 2 9-volt batteries are required but not included. An indicator light shows when they need to be changed. The Bounty Hunter BHJS Junior comes with a very low price tag. Although many users have found the machine to be reliable, that isn't always the case. While there doesn't appear to be a single recurring problem, breakdowns have been reported.